Today I'm going to do pretty much the results of my Bantu knots. I know many people know how to do Bantu knots. If you do the research on Facebook or YouTube or wherever you look at your videos, you will be able to see millions of people doing Bantu knots. What I used on my Bantu knots was Kinky Curly Knot Today, jojoba oil, aloe vera juice, and Jamaican black castor oil, emu oil, and then the rest of the essential oils in a mixture. Majority of the mixture consists of aloe vera juice, and the Kinky Curly Knot Today just helps it remain creamy. My hair is like shiny, as you can see. My hair is fine. It loves it. It loves the mixture. So that's my hair, my shrinkage. So I'm just pulling them out. They have been in for 3 days. So I'm going to separate these. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I never did Bantu knots on my hair, so I don't really know what I was expecting, you know, on my hair. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know, maybe I need to fix myself up. And yeah, fix myself up and see how it rolls, how it does, how it looks. I don't know. Do you like it? Am I supposed to like it? Is it cute? I don't know. It looks like a little curly fro. My hair is very fine and it just doesn't do, you know, how everybody else's hair does. It doesn't stay weighed down and my hair's like So yeah, there we have it. That is my Bantu knot out results.